Hi student, we have already studied chapter 6, that is lines and angles. In this chapter we have gone through important points such as what are collinear points, non-collinear points, the different types of triangles or angles. Then we have also learned what are adjacent angle, linear pairs of angles, vertically opposite angles. We have also discussed on the topic intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. We have gone through theorem 6.1, that is, if two lines intersect at a point, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So this we have already done in different videos. Please watch those videos. So today we'll start exercise 6.1. Student, we'll start exercise 6.1, that is question number 1. In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. So here you can see in the figure, AB and CD are the two straight line and both are intersecting at a point O. Correct? If AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Here you see AOC, okay, this angle, BOE, there's the other angle. Their sum is 70 degree. And angle BOD is given 40 degree. BOD, this angle is given how much? 40 degree. What you have to do? You have to find BOE and reflex COE. So they are asking to find angle BOE. This angle you have to find. And reflex COE. This angle. So reflex means what? Not this angle. You have to find the whole angle from here. Correct? Till here. Leaving this angle. Okay. COE you have to leave. And this whole reflex angle you have to find. Okay. So we'll write here method to solve. Now, based on the information, AB and CD, they are intersecting line. And we know if it is an intersecting line, then vertically opposite angles are equal. If BOD is 40 degree, then AOC is also 40 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So in this case, you can write here angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Correct? Since both are 40 degree. So you can write since vertical opposite angles. Okay. So they are what? Vertical opposite angles. So one of the angles we got here, AOC, that is 40. Then it is also given that AOC and BOE is equal to 70. So their sum is 70. So you can write here AOC plus angle BOE. Their sum is 70 degree. Now AOC what we got? We got 40. So you write here 40 degree. So easily we can find out BOE. Is it okay? So we can write here angle BOE will be how much? 70 degree minus 40 degree. So that is 30 degree. So we got the value of angle BOE, that is 30 degree. Is it clear? Now one of the angles we already got, okay, that is BOE. They are asking to find COE. Reflex COE. So before finding reflex, you should know what is the value of COE, that you find out. Okay. Now you can see here AOB is what? It is a straight line. So it forms an straight angle. And in this straight angle, there are three angles are there. That is AOC plus COE plus BOE. All of this sum will be 180 degree. Okay. So here we can write angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Correct? So we can expand AOB. So you can write here AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE. So their sum is how much? 180 degree. Correct? Here we can write the reason. Straight angle. So what it form? Straight angle. AOC value is given how much? 40 degree. Correct? Angle COE we don't know, we have to find out. Angle BOE is given how much? 30 degree. Okay. So what will be angle COE? COE will be equal to 180 degree minus. So 40 plus 30 is how much? It is 70. So when you write 70 on the right hand side, when you take it on the right hand side, it becomes minus 70 degree. That is 180 minus 70 how much? 110 degree. So angle COE we got 110 degree. But they are asking reflex COE. Correct? So let's see how to find reflex angle COE. That will be equal to, a whole angle is how much? 360 degree. Correct? So with 360 you subtract angle COE and solve. You'll get the answer. So 360 minus value of COE 110 degree. So both you subtract. 0 you'll get, 6 minus 1 that is 5, 3 minus 1 that is 2. So therefore reflex COE is how much? 250 degree. Okay student.